Small wins, that's how I feel my way. Small wins, that's how it's small wins, that's how I built my way. One step forward, one more day. Nobody saw the work behind the scenes. Nobody knew how hard I chased my dreams. Small wins, they became something bigger. Every little victory made me, and when I didn't make it overnight, I grew slow. Brick by brick, now look how far I go. I remember celebrating things nobody noticed, yeah. Little achievements that kept my heart focused. First dollar saved, first step made. First time I believed that my life could change. Everybody wants the finish line fast, but they forget about the struggles in the past. They want the crown, they want the fame, but they don't want the days when nobody knew your name. I learned success is built in the moments when you keep going even when you're broken. It's waking up when you don't feel ready. It's carrying dreams when the road gets heavy. Every little move was a piece of the plan. Every mistake helped me understand. I wasn't losing, I was learning the game. Every small win was creating my name. I don't need to rush what I'm building. I know the journey is what makes me different. The seeds I planted are starting to grow. The world will see what I already know. Small wins, that's how I built my way. One step forward, one more day. Nobody saw the work behind the scenes. Nobody knew how hard I chased my dreams. Small wins, they became something bigger. Every little victory made me, and when I didn't make it overnight, I grew slow. Brick by brick, now look how far I go. I used to compare my life to everybody else, thinking I was behind, questioning myself. But everybody has a different race to run, different battles under the same sun. Now I celebrate the progress I make, even the small moves that nobody takes. Because a mountain isn't climbed in one day. It's one step, one breath, 1 mile on the way. I remember when I wanted everything now. Had to learn patience and figure out how. The strongest people are built through time, through every struggle, through every climb. So if you're still working and nobody sees, keep watering the roots of your dreams. One day you look back at where you began and thank yourself for sticking to the plan. Small wins become big victories. Small steps create your history. Don't underestimate where you are. Every journey begins with a spark. The world might not clap today, but keep moving anyway. The seeds you plant in the dark will become your brightest star. Small wins, that's how I built my way. One step forward, one more day. Nobody saw the work behind the scenes. Nobody knew how hard I chased my dreams. Small wins, they became something bigger. Every little victory made me, and when I didn't make it overnight, I grew slow. Brick by brick, now look how far I go. Small wins, turning to big dreams. Small steps, creating my legacy. Small wins. Yeah. Step away from the comfortable life, had to sacrifice peace just to sharpen the knife. Late nights thinking about the next move, trying to prove to myself I had something to prove. Nobody saw the pressure I was carrying inside. The moments I questioned if I made the right.
Are we good? Can you guys hear me now? It should be good. Gucci. All right, bet. Great start. Anyway, what's going on to everyone on YouTube? It's been a while. We haven't done a YouTube stream since what was it? I'm trying to think. When did we do a stream on YouTube? Let me check. I think it was with my cousin, right? Was that end of July or early August? Let's see. I generally don't remember. Okay, so it was like the first week of August. Cool. Anyway, hope you guys have been doing good. It's been a very choppy month. But let's see what we get today. It is OPEX option expiration day. And we have a different type of view. So look, I'm gonna be looking on the screen. So if you see anything on the gamma using the option data, we have the different flows. So this is ES. Obviously you don't see it right now. You'll see like lines pop up, call, put walls, and zero gamma. This is NQ. We got those views, new views that we can look at. But how you guys been doing? Let's start with that. How's your month going so far? You should do more streams more often. I don't know how much more frequent I can get. I think I've streamed every single day this week. I just don't do it on YouTube. And last week I was on vacation. So let's see here. Find a better spot to put this. I can put this here. Down. Gonna mess up the flow. Okay. Where do you usually stream? I stream on the Discord. But man, hopefully today New York AM is actually good, because it's been very, very choppy this whole week, New York. Just bless us with some good price action. People are saying very bad, blowing everything. Man, it's been tough. This week, for me, it has been a little bit of a challenge, especially in New York. But what's kind of saving me, yesterday was a little better. What I've realized is the PMs have been better, guys. New York AMs have been horrible, very choppy. PM have been a little better. I don't know if that'll be the case today with the option expiration, but that's been the pattern this week. Very, very choppy New York morning sessions, and usually get like good rotations, like 1 or 2 rotations in the afternoon. And obviously, everything's been happening overnight. All the big moves have been happening overnight. So is PA good or bad on AWOPEX? It's like a mixed bag, honestly. Sometimes it's good, sometimes it's very choppy. Especially in the PM. PM, OPEX is usually when it gets really choppy. We had this huge run up looks like overnight. As I said, there's all the clean moves have been happening overnight. Look at this. Nice little trend. We've just been grinding higher all of overnight. Now we're finally getting a decent pullback. So the first area I want to kind of watch today is yesterday's. So this is your RTH right here at 400s. Is your RTH value area high from yesterday. It looks like we're about to test it right into the open. I want to see how we act there. Because we formed value essentially inside of here, right? And now we are essentially gapping over it. So I want to see if buyers can defend at that spot. Is the music good, guys? Just want to make sure. You guys hear the music? Is it not too loud? Can you at least hear it instead of being really quiet? No music. Turn it up. What about now? See, I just minimized my window a bit. Did I mess it up? It did. One sec, guys. I'll see. I'm gonna make this a little better. Boom. Let's get this market open. 2 minutes. We open. Hi, bro. How are you? I am great. I'm ready, full of energy to trade these markets. And yeah. Again, into the open. If we dip, I'm watching the 400s, 380 area. And above, we just say that's where we might go higher. But if we're going down, is this area right here. Okay. Watching this spot right here. Why am I watching that spot? We had this consolidation. We broke under, and this is where we had a strong impulse leg, as you can see here, right? And we have this has been a reactionary area as well. That's where this is the source of where we had a strong leg lower, the last leg lower. I want to see how we react in here. Okay, let me get rid of this. Market's open. What will we do? I don't see anything crazy on the calendar for news. Working, it's loading, we're good. How do I avoid blow-ups on tough weeks like this? With those aggressive risk. I mean, you can't avoid blow-ups with aggressive risk on weeks like this. You gotta size down. Alright, we're testing that area. Don't see anything in the calendar for news as well. If I go back to 0, what exactly would I do to get this to this level again? That's a good question. I would, well, if I were to start over, I'll be honest, I don't think I would go back to 0. That's just a truthful answer. But I'll answer in a way where if I were to start over, I would just do the 25Ks. And get some payouts and reinvest that into 50Ks, do 50Ks once I build a good buffer and got a few payouts. Then I would go to the higher accounts, but I would not start with the bigger accounts. How you liking deep charts compared to middleweight? I like it. It's good. The job done. Yeah, not really respecting that area so far. Maybe if he can quickly reclaim it, I'll consider it. But right now, I don't really see anything. I think your biggest payout came from playing repeatable systems or aggressive approach. I think a good mix of both. There's a time to be aggressive, and there's a time to just take base hits, right? Do you think conservative sizing makes prop game harder? No, not at all. You can, if you're being, if you have conservative sizing, you can still make a lot of money. People think you can't, but you can. A lot of questions about being aggressive and conservative, essentially. And phased in a different way today. Someone said go short. Down here? Nah, I'm good. I'm good, bro. And now that you said that, I like the long better. I'm kidding, I'm kidding. Oh man. Do the opposite of the chat. I'm kidding, by the way, okay? It's a joke. Don't take it seriously. Yeah, no news. There is this PMI, but it's not marked as a high volatility event. So I don't know if he should deem that as important. Used to be, but not anymore. They changed it. I don't know. I feel like the news events have not really moved the markets that much. Like the ones on the calendar, as they did in previous years. This year it's been a mixed bag with these news events moving the markets right when they happen. Because I remember back in the day, you'd get these PMIs or like JOLT reports, and you would get like, you know, nice volatility coming in right away. But it's a little different now. All right, watching these 400s now, right? Look at how this volume profile, the developing one, you think, how it's developing. You also have your 0 gamma right at where the current developing value area high is. I want to see how we come up and react there. If we get a nice rejection, like something like this, or see some sell orders or orders on the bid come in, signaling sellers want to reinitiate here for lower prices, I may try it. Now it's a waiting game. Do you write down or type your daily plan scenarios every day? So if I'm not streaming, yes, I do. If I'm streaming, usually I'm going over them before we start the stream Discord. Bit choppy down here so far. Shut up, chat. My God, this is slow right now. Yo, I swear, it's been slow like this for this whole week. Yeah, the only thing I'm watching for is this retest of these 380s, 400 area. Looks like the zero gamma moved down, guys. Look at this. Check this out. The ES, we rejected the zero gamma, right? Well, NQ comes out, hovering right there. Man. Choppy, choppy, choppy. Which direction do you guys think this will break out? Let's take a poll. Let's take a poll. I'm creating a poll. Okay, hold up. All right, vote on the poll. Let's see. Wait, is there only one option? Alright, I did. Alright, people are saying up. Okay. Couldn't see the down option for some reason. Weird. So, if you look at all the stuff we have down here, check this out. We have our current developing value area low, yesterday's open, yesterday's VPOC, yesterday's value area low. So potentially, if we can look underneath here and we can quickly reclaim where your current developing value area low is, we'll be looking for a dong here, okay, for a scalp, because it is kind of choppy. It is range bound environment. I want to see if we can get back inside of this range. If you can reclaim it. We just tapped into the pull wall here. I'm actually gonna try a long here in this pull wall, at this pull wall here. We're gonna move back out of the ring. Just under the lows. You can push a little back inside the range. I'm gonna go break even here. Risk-free trade. Stop is in the green. Little cheeky put wall trade there. Chat, if you don't have gamma levels on your chart, what are you doing? Look at this. Put wall, some exertion down there below yesterday's value area low. Beautiful. By the way, this is part of our Discord now. Everyone in the Discord has access to this. This alone is probably worth the subscription cost. Seeing how market makers are positioning with options. Yeah, we made this risk-free. Let's see now if we can tap in. There it is. This is looking really good. I'm gonna see if we can push a little higher. Strong momentum coming in. See if we can push. What is our zero gamma? Right here. So we're trying to reclaim the range now. I'm cutting it here, guys. Cutting it here for 356. quick trade off the put wall here. Check this out. Let me zoom in so you can kind of see. We tapped in. We had significant. But these levels tend to act as good areas to one, take profit. And if you see something at that area, you can get a good bounce because market makers are forced to buy at these put walls. Now, if we have a significant negative regime where we have momentum to the downside, we get below, we're holding below these major put walls, then they are forced to sell as well, so creating more downwards pressure. But as you can see, the zero gamma kind of is moving down now. This is real-time data, by the way, which is where we have rejected so far. You likely won't hear, for those in the Discord, for some reason, when I share like the OBS virtual camera, it doesn't work. It don't work, chat. It don't work. All right, let me get rid of this. Oh, that I was looking at. So for the people on YouTube, I'm all streaming both on Discord and YouTube. So that's what we're talking about right there. It's trying to reclaim the range, but I would want this to get over the zero gamma, guys, before I even think about a long. So look, we'll put this on here because we're gonna watch it. I want us to get above and on a retest hold for a long. Okay? Because we're back in the range. Now if you get over, because this can act as resistance here. A good setup, but name this terminal, bro. This is Deep Charts and the Gamma platform that we have. Did anyone catch that trade? The longs down here. Where is this data seen? It is seen on the web app that we have. You can get access to this if you subscribe to the Discord. If you want it. I'm sure you can get it with other platforms as well. There's a lot out there, but this one that you're looking at right now, I'm kind of building this with the Discord, right? So like for my community essentially, of everything that I would want when trading ES and NQ alongside with order flow. And what I built here is just feedback from them, from people in the community, what they want to see, what they want. But there's a lot of platforms like this. I feel like this one is turning into a powerful tool with all the stuff we're adding. So as you can see, right, we're coming up, rejecting. That's why I liked the look below and fail, right? But I was waiting for us to get over the zero gamma, which, take a look. Zero gamma lines up with that range, right? Like the range low that we were looking at, and it's struggling to get above it. So that's the reason why I didn't take that there. And as always, guys, if you're enjoying the stream, make sure to hit that like button. I know we haven't done these in a while, so yeah. Bro, can you also speak in Hindi? I don't know Hindi. I'm from South Africa. Okay? Sorry. Chat, I don't know what's so funny. I swear to God, I'm from South Africa. Like, it's not even a joke. Born and raised in South Africa. Then I moved to the US to, I don't even know why I moved to the US. South Africa is so much better. Oh, man. He got South. Oh my God. Yo, what? The guys in Discord. You guys gotta use the chat at YouTube. We're testing it on both ES and NQ, guys. Check this out. So testing the zero gamma on both ES and NQ here. If you can hold. You teach us trading, we teach you Hindi and Bollywood dance on top. That's a good deal. I like that deal. Especially the dancing part. I need to learn. I'm a horrible dancer. So at the wedding I was at, I had to dance, and yeah, I'm not very good at dancing. That's all I'm gonna say. Chat, I'm gonna go short this on ES at this value area high. I'm gonna risk just a high of day here. Again, we're just trading this range. I like the setup. We tried to break out. We have trapped offers at this high, above value area high, developing value area high. If you get a pushback, again, just scalp in this range where we have all these big trades and a potential zero gamma rejection. This is the 1 hour trade, right? That's another thing, right? Like, I'm not the biggest fan of anything less than 2R, like planned to less than 2R. But right now in this environment, man, it's hard. It's not easy to get follow through moves for like 2, 3R. Because you'll just end up either getting trailed out or take stops because of the wicks. Maybe push this a little lower. Let's see, to VPOC. I'm gonna trail my stop here to break even or just green though when we test these 86, 85. This little pocket, we have significant delta built up here. Nice rejection so far at the 0 gamma. Check this out. Need to hold as resistance. Again, my stop is just above this high, right? So if I'm wrong, get out for like a small loss. Now this is the way this trade is going to be structured, right? I've adjusted my plan. Originally it was supposed to be 1R trade. I'm going to see if I can squeeze out maybe just under 2R. And if not, it'll be like a risk-free shot if we get a test of these 86. I'll move my stop to break even or just green after commission. Simple thesis, right? We have the 0 gamma pivot there. We have our developing value area high. Right now, the day is telling us we are in a balance, right? So we see these trapped offers above developing value area high. We get back underneath, so we try it because of the environment we're in. We have the 0 gamma confluence, and now we can see what we can get there. Okay, so let's go break even here. Go plus 25 bucks. Risk-free shot. You guys get it? Does it make sense? See if you can get just under 2R here now, which is, again, our VPOC is here. But I think we could, if we just hold this here, VPOC could shift up a little here because we have significant volume build up here. Look at this, positive delta. So you got 2R, right? The original plan was 1R. Sorry, not 2R. Original plan was 1R. 1R right here. Let's see if we get the 2R here. We're just under 2R. Maybe, boom! 2 for 2, baby! 2 for 2, just under 1K. Walking you through my exact plan. And gamma confluence, chat. Gamma confluence. Who's having fun? I know the Discord chat is having fun. They've been waiting for this for the whole week. They've been waiting for this for the whole week. I've been waiting for it for the whole week. Oh man. All right. I think we can end the stream here, right? What do you guys think? Should we end it here, the stream? Are we done, chat? Should we end it here? Oh man. Oh man. Should we end it here? Oh man. Yush, I count on you. Let's gamble my life savings. You know what? That makes me not want to keep streaming, okay? I don't want you to gamble your life savings. I don't want you to do that. That makes me want to end the stream right here. Oh man. Did the trade ideas today make sense? Did the trade idea today make sense though? Important. We caught a nice look above and fail. The first trade was more so like a gamma setup, right? We had a significant pull wall and we swept underneath all this that I was talking about, right? Previous day open, previous day VPOC, previous day value area below. Discord link. If you want to join the Discord, check out the website. Also, with the Discord, you get access to this cool stuff right here. Look at this. I'm not gonna lie to you, okay? This stuff is good. Alright? It's not because I created it, this platform, but you can get this stuff with other platforms, but this has their own twist on it and is real-time data as well. The people I've talked to, they found it helpful. So it's part of the Discord essentially. Whatever you get with the $99, this is included. And there's gonna be more, which I can't say about anything about right now. It's still in the works. So, but holding the pull wall still. Look at this size down here, guys. Hold up, look at this. We go test the put wall. Look at the amount of orders coming in. I know Sia's making bank today. Reverse trade could be considered a riskier trade, trying to take the first turn. In a way, yes. But with those type of setups, the risk is always tight. For me, at least, right? I'm not going with my normal size or, have a tighter stop on those usually. It's actually first time following you. Do you stream here every day? I don't stream here on YouTube every day. I stream on the Discord 3 to 4 times a week. Alright guys, I think I'm gonna end the stream here. Okay, like honestly, I'm gonna go enjoy my Friday. I'm pretty happy with how we did, 2 for 2. Especially with the week, the week it's been with very choppy environment. I'm gonna take this and yeah, I don't want to do too much, on a Friday. How do you get gamma exposure? You can get it at yushcapital.co. Join the Discord as well. It's included in that. But anyway, thank you guys. As always, appreciate each and every single one of you tuning in. Like your support. Honestly, thank you. Giving me the platform to do this. Does not go unnoticed. So hope you guys were able to take something away from the stream. Learn something. And until next time, peace and goodbye.